Transform 6 How-To Video, Well Top Alias Manager. Today, I want to guide you through the Well Top Alias Manager. Once a top is imported into Transform or has been generated, it is treated like a well top. There can be so many different picks for a top based on the geologist or the team work in the area. Some are focused on regional frameworks while others are doing detailed interpretation to plan a well. Users can group well tops of the same reservoir together in Transform through the Well Top Alias Manager. The groups of tops are referred to as a well top alias, and users can make multiple aliases per reservoir. They just need a different name. Well top aliases can be used for display in correlation view and section view. The mapping utility is zone boundaries, and in the data generation wizard for extractions. Within Transform, aliases must be assigned by users after a top is generated or imported. Go to Geology Top Alias Manager. All available tops are on the left and the well top aliases are on the right. Click the column headers to reorder and use the search bars as needed. The plus and minus allow to collapse and open all of the aliases in the tree. Using a shift left click or a control left click, select well tops to add to an alias. Right click, create alias from selected rows. All well top aliases need to be associated to a geological feature or reservoir. Once the alias is created, rename as necessary. Open the arrow to see the preferred order, left drag to update the order, or select a top and use the blue up and down arrows at the top to adjust the order. Right click to remove a top from the alias, or use this red X at the top to delete that as well. Note, if a user right clicks on the well top alias, that will delete the entire well top alias. That goes for that red X as well. If there's more than one top alias per geological feature, right-click to set as default. Once noted as the default, users will see a green checkbox next to that well top alias icon. Maybe this top is a new reservoir and a geological feature hasn't been set up for it. Well, you can use this icon to create a new geological feature that users can associate tops and generate maps. I like to think of it as geological features as reservoirs, and all my associated data that relates to that reservoir will be contained in there. Take a peek in the data tree. Here, I can view all available data associated with that geological feature, including maps and, of course, well top aliases. The Well Top Alias Manager is also the place to manage the colors of tops and well top aliases for display in various views in Transform. Note that the users can update both individual top colors or the well top alias, but if a well top alias is chosen to display, the individual well top colors will not display. Interpreters can randomly color all tops to a pastel color if needed, but I might not do this if your teammates have methodically chosen colors already. Lastly, to make all of an interpreter's tops a color for use in different displays and interpretation workflows, click this icon in the upper left. Be sure to save the session to persist these changes to your database. Go ahead and give this a try in your Transform project. Got questions? Please email drillinginfosupport@enverus.com.